In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shein app if it keeps crashing, freezing, or not loading properly on your Android device. If the app suddenly stops working, the good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try, and in many cases, one of them will solve the problem quickly. We'll start with the easiest option and work through the most effective solutions in a clear order. First, force stop the app. Open your Settings app, then go to Apps, find Shein, and tap on it. From there, select Force Stop. This fully closes the app in the background, which can help if it's stuck, frozen, or not responding correctly. After that, reopen Shein and check whether it's working normally again. If the issue continues, the next step is to clear the app's cache and, if necessary, its data. Go back to Settings, then Apps, then Shein, and open Storage. Tap Clear Cache first. This removes temporary files that may have become corrupted over time. If the app is still crashing after that, tap Clear Data as well. Just keep in mind that clearing data may reset the app and sign you out, so you may need to log back in afterward. Another common cause is a weak or unstable internet connection. To refresh your network, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it back off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This is especially helpful if the app is timing out, not loading images, or getting stuck on a loading screen. A quick network change often helps the app reconnect properly. You should also make sure the app is fully updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Shein, and check whether an update button appears. If it does, tap it and wait for the latest version to install. Updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility patches that can resolve crashing issues. If none of those fixes work, the final step is to reinstall the app. Uninstall Shein from your device, then restart your phone. Once your device turns back on, go to the Google Play Store and install a fresh copy of the app. Reinstalling can remove deeper software issues that a simple cache clear won't fix. After each step, it's a good idea to open the app and test it before moving on to the next one. That way, you'll know exactly which fix solved the problem. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the Shein app working smoothly again.